Let's take a look at your full forecast update for the high desert. I'm meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. Right now we're experiencing basically some heavy precip activity across much of the southern U.S. and particularly hardest hit from earlier today across portions of South Louisiana into much of South Mississippi. And we had a little bit of frozen precip across the Midwest, particularly from North Dakota through parts of South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, maybe parts of southern lower Michigan. As we go even further westward, any activity across the western half of the country, maybe some spotty showers at times across northern California and parts of Oregon as well. Otherwise mainly dry, but you can see the cloud cover associated with the next cold front arriving the Pacific coast, and also a mess across the Midwest is also bringing some heavy cloud cover at times, including that couple areas of low pressure across the center of the country. Maybe some severe weather possible into portions of south, at least central Texas. This is the Friday travelers forecast, so any travel plans to, let's say, parts of basically about San Antonio, for instance, you might get into some severe weather action. Otherwise, just general showers and storms across the Gulf Coast. Rain showers continuing across the mid-Atlantic. Those low pressure systems move eastward. It could get a bit cold enough that we might see some snow trying to mix in, maybe a little bit of sleet and freezing rain across New England, maybe extreme portions of the upper Midwest. Possible showers, maybe some storms across portions of the northern plains. A little bit of a wintry mix across the Rockies, and then depending on elevation, of course, and those classic rain showers north of San Francisco. Temperatures generally 30s and 40s across the Midwest for lows, 50s, 60s, maybe 70s towards the southeast. Mid-Atlantic generally the 40s and 50s, northeast generally 30s and 40s for lows with the exception of Portland, Maine. Western U.S. 40s and 50s north to south, 57 in San Diego, 54 or so in Los Angeles. And as we take a look at a more entire view of what's happening in our neck of the woods, we've seen generally a lot of cloud cover at times, but we've also seen some peaks of sunshine as that cold front tries to move closer. We'll go mostly cloudy this evening. 44 here in Apple Valley and Victorville, 48 at 12 midnight, 44 at 6 a.m. We'll see generally mostly cloudy, partly cloudy skies throughout the overnight. Then we'll go partly cloudy in a temp of 60 by your lunchtime. Generally dry, high pressure will try to stay tough as that cold front maybe just to our north going through your Friday and Friday afternoon. We'll wake up the temperatures generally in the mid to upper 40s, perhaps 50 with partly cloudy conditions by 9 a.m. We stay mostly sunny, lower 60s. Southwest winds could be on the strong side, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but don't be surprised to see gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. We'll fall to 42 overnight, upper 60s, perhaps lower 70s on Saturday. And then it could be 80 degrees across much of our viewing area heading into early next week, maybe almost all of our viewing area by Monday, with overnight lows warming back into the lower 50s, but there could be a slight cold front going through by Tuesday of next week. And plus, lots of sunshine. Get out there and enjoy this nice weather. That's going to conclude this forecast update here on KVVB. I'm meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. Now send it back to regularly scheduled programming.